What?
Hello, today guys will show you how to play Kinetic Sand like I said we'll show you. But first I need to show you guys how to make these balls. So you grab the ball thing, and if you want to make a shape, just press that, then you made a shape. Then if you want to make another shape, you can just press the back. Then if you want to make a full-on ball, just rip all the stuff off that's on it, guys. And then if you want to, okay, I accidentally broke that ball. God! God! Did not read that! God, oh God! God, oh God, oh God! Okay. Now that I'm gonna show you guys how to make a video. So if you say boo, I will not make this video for you guys. Okay, take all this stuff off that's on what's next to it. God! Sorry guys, I'm explosive. Maybe now. Is it? I want some. But that's crazy. Okay. Nope, do not squish that instead. Oh, God! Took so many memories. Keep on, baby, on the right. Keeping my strokes, baby, on the right.